Julia, we're so happy that you are home for Christmas.
I'm also delighted, Mom. Let me introduce you to George.
George, a warm welcome to you. Julia has spoken highly of you. Where are you from?
I come from Warsaw, Poland. I pursued my academic endeavors at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and I successfully obtained my PhD just last year.
Remarkable achievement, indeed. George, by the way, how do you know English so well?
I downloaded Promova app. I've used it for just 10 minutes per day, and learned to express myself freely and confidently. Also, I've boosted my grammar, pronunciation, and active vocabulary. With Promova, I've taken my English to the next level in a short time. So if you're ready, click the link and let's get started.
Anytime you could change careers and do something else and try something different and not be afraid to fail. So I think, failure really can hold you back, that feeling, but out of failure comes amazing things. And I've learned that, and that keeps me going.
I'm really excited for an autumn-inspired manicure. What do you recommend for colors and designs?
That sounds like a great idea for the season. We have some lovely options for autumn manicures. Are you thinking of warm earthy tones or something a bit more vibrant?
I'm open to suggestions, but I do love those warm cozy colors that remind me of falling leaves and pumpkin spice.
Perfect. How about starting with a rich burgundy as your base color?
I think the umber effect and some gold leaf accents on a couple of nails would be perfect. How about the other nails?
To complement the umber and gold accents, we could do a solid burgundy on the other nails or a soft, nude beige to balance it out. Since autumn can be quite drying for the skin, I recommend adding a nourishing cuticle treatment. It'll keep your nails healthy and your manicure looking its best.
Great, let's go for that cuticle treatment too. I'm so excited for this autumn manicure.
Wonderful choice. Let's get started. I'm sure you'll fall in love with your autumn-inspired nails.